My granddaughter Ruby said, Grandma will tell me stories. I said that there was a small dog in the house of a rich man in a certain area. Another dog lived in a natural house under a tree. One day, the rich man dog met a poor dog on the street.
Why are you so beautiful, dog?
Why is your chain around your neck?
The chain around my neck is a gift from my master. Come with me and see. I live in a very good place and eat good food.
The poor dog went and found that the food he was eating was not fresh.
I eat good food that is fresh. Thank you, my creator, because you made me free.